Dear students, let us today study about the location and the extent of our own country, India. Now, India is the seventh largest country of the world and it is located in the northern and in the eastern hemisphere. So, in this map of the world, you can see India is located right in the northern part of the world and it is also in the eastern hemisphere. So, we say that India is located at the northeast part of the globe. Now it is at the southernmost part of the Asian subcontinent. So over here you can see this is the map of Asia and India is right away at the middle of Asia and it's in the southern part of Asia, which is situated at the head of the Indian Ocean. Now India is bordered by oceans and seas on all the three sides. So you can see at the bottom of India we have the three seas: Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean. So that is why the southern tip of India, or the southern part of India, is called a peninsula. Now the coastline of India is about 6,100 kilometers long, while the land frontier is about 15,200 kilometers long. Its total land area is 3.28 million square kilometers, which accounts for 2.4% of the total surface area of the whole world. Now next we come to the extent of India. Now the latitudinal and the longitudinal extent of India is almost the same, which is nearly 30 degrees. It extends roughly between 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitude and 68.7 minutes east to 97.25 minutes east longitude. And the Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree north line, passes almost midway through the country. Now after this we move on to the neighboring countries of India. Now in this map of India you can see the neighboring countries or the borders have been shared, that has been shared with the neighboring countries has been shaded with red or has been marked with red. Now, which are the neighbors of India? Now, the neighboring countries of India are Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Myanmar. The island country Sri Lanka lies to the south and it's separated from India by the Palk Strait. Maldives is another neighboring country of India across the sea. So, this is about the neighboring countries of India. And last but not the least, we say that India has that Indian Standard Time which has been chosen according to the 82 degree 30 minutes east line, which is passing through more or less to the middle of India, and that is passing through Allahabad region. So that has been taken or chosen as the Indian Standard Time. So we have now discussed about the location and the extent of India. So we are going to carry on with the rest of the part of the chapter the next day. Thank you.